myself on behalf of my participants. This is the 15th program. I was able to succeed in the 14th program, fortunately. In Delhi, 31 participants, 4 senior citizens were there, above 65 actually. One Sardarji, I still remember, 68. He was also able to reproduce that. Show me that one. That book. See, I have brought that performance with that evaluation of the program. I tell you, honestly, it is done through a technique. Done through a technique. Therefore, yeah, this one. You can have a cursory glance. See here, when you open it, you can find 100 out of 100, most of the people. Just see here. At least anything you take. I'm taking at random. See. Anything at random. See. 97. Some mistakes. See, this is how it is possible. If it is not possible with this physical structure, can I conduct the program and get out of Bombay, you tell me? In Nairobi, I used to tell very jokingly, if I don't produce results, if I can't make you to do that, would you allow me, you fellows, because they are giants like, though not like me, giants like, you throw me out of the window, I used to tell. I tell you, Nairobi is the best place for conducting the program. They are very anxious to learn things now. They are very aware of their rights. Kenya, not only, maybe I went to Kenya and Tanzania only. That is the thing, friends. Now, I will tell you what are the advantages of memorizing this. Why should we memorize digits? Can you find anything better than that to stimulate your brain? Now, see here. Why should we memorize 100-digit number? It is a grand display of one's mind control. It is a test of your willpower. You can quantitatively measure the power of your concentration. When I was sitting over here, when our friend read out the numbers, can I drift my mind even for a fraction of a second? Total absorption, total concentration. This is a patent form of meditation. You know what is meditation? Forget your personal problem is meditation, friends. To put it in a simple word, all the time we are thinking about ourselves, our problems, our family, our children, our friends, our enemies, our bosses, our subordinates, our back pain, or our sugar problem. Am I not right? All the time our mind is tormented with our personal things. That is what is called, it is totally saturated in self. Can you set aside the self at least for a fraction of a second? That is the point of meditation. If you are able to forget your personal self, meditation is setting aside the self. And this is one of the, I call this digital meditation. I do it every day. I tell you in the program how you can develop. I attribute my scintillating and vibrant health to this technique. Several techniques all over the world, meditation technique. This is my own innovation. A new way of meditating. I used to write down the number, and actually I don't need a second reading. For an audience like this, to see to it that I should not commit any mistakes, I need 3 times. The third reading, how fast I went. I don't need the second reading. Exactly, I take 5 minutes to memorize and reproduce at this age. That kind of a tenacity we have to develop. You will be able to get this kind of thing in the regular program. Even if you don't become an extraordinary trainer, you get that kind of a feeling that you should be able to achieve something outstanding in life, friends. I have proved it in my own personal life. All dimensions of personality I developed. Health, as far as my financial position, I was born to a very poor parents. Many times I was suspended from college for non-payment of college fees as well as hostel fees. My first vehicle, I purchased a cycle. equal monthly installment EMI 20 rupees per month. And today I can tell I am owning a Honda City. Every dimension, I am happy with it. I don't think I have not made crores like Ambani's like that. I am one of the happiest persons on this planet. Several techniques are offered based on my personal experience. If you are with me for 6 days, you will consider yourselves to be very, very lucky. See here again, it's a heightened form of meditation. It is not the gift of God. You ask Shakuntala Devi after the demonstration, she will say, I am sorry friend, this is God's gift to me. Am I not right? I am telling you openly, this is not God's gift. It is done through a technique. Anybody can do that. Therefore, all can memorize and reproduce. How do you feel when you are made to accomplish this mental feat in the regular program? You feel great. That kind of a feeling I create in the participants. Then, the Guinness Book of World Records is only 91 digits. When you do this, people would call you a genius. I conducted my program in New York City. On my way back, I stayed in Germany, in a German family. They asked me what I did in New York. I wrote the numbers like this, made them to give the numbers. I repeat, my God, Kathy, her name is. My God, you are a genius. This is the kind of thing you will be able to get. But only thing is, in the regular program, you are made to reproduce, understanding the technique. To develop this kind of a speed is necessary. People will not sit for 45 minutes, 50 minutes, till you completely register and reproduce. Within 6 months you can develop. If you have that kind of a determination. Then, go to any place, any country and demonstrate this power and people will simply fall for it. You can easily conduct your training program anywhere on this planet. Anywhere I go, I am extremely successful purely because of this technique. Many friends are there. They can speak much better. Pronunciation is impeccable. Am I not right? But at the same time, show something incredible. Show something amazing. Then people will fall for it. And that you will be able to get in this program only. Unfortunately, because of drifting, I used to tell I have married 2 wives. One wife is training, another is writing. When I started writing, I never looked at the other wife of training. With the result, I have lost contact with Mumbai people. With the result, people do not know me. If I become well established, like Anthony Robbins, a time will come. I will prove that kind of a thing. Then you have to pay how much you can imagine. That's the thing. It's for the name that we pay. Shiva Kera is charging for 3 days program 30,000 people thronged it. Many of my participants who went there also related. I don't want to make a comparison because he is a well-established trainer. Am I not right? So I can also create lot of things.